Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to download and install the TuneIn Pro application to your Android TV without using downloader. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV and want to install the TuneIn Radio Pro, this is what to do to install the application without downloader. The best application to use is this one called APK Time. Now you might be wondering, how do you install APK Time to your Android TV without using downloader? In the description of this video, there is a link I have added that's going to guide you or help you on installing this APK Time application to your Android TV without using downloader. So please watch that video and install the APK Time application. After installing APK Time, then you can return over here and come out to the option that says music, and then browse to the bottom. You are going to see the TuneIn Pro application here. Now all you need to do is to click on download, and the application is going to start downloading straight away to your Android TV. Now this is only going to work on Android TV. This is not going to work on a branded smart TV like Vida TV, Hisense Smart TV, and so on. This only works on Android TV. So just give it a second for the application to completely download. Once it's done downloading, you can then install it to your Android TV. So give it a second. So APK Time has other applications that you can install on your Android TV. You can take out your time to browse through. Now the TuneIn Pro are completely downloaded. Once it's done downloading, just come over here and click on install, and you're going to be able to install the application to your Android TV without a downloader. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.